I can keep rambling on.
Do you still have some stuff you want to run
I
through,
did. I
or-
wanted to show them how to blend, how to blend 3D models, the 3D models
We
into
can
like.
totally do that.
Okay,
Don't worry
okay,
about it.
okay. So one other one I want to share with you guys. So this is my illustration. I titled it Cutie Beauty. I did this sketch. Now, a lot of people, when they use 3D models, they're like, why can't I draw on it? It doesn't let me draw. My husband had this same issue. With 3D models, you cannot draw directly on the 3D model layer. Let me show you. You see, it gives me a red X. It's like, no, what are you doing? I am a 3D model layer. Do not draw on me. You have to create a new layer. You can either click the button down here, or you can go up here to layer, new layer. You can click raster, you can click vector. We won't get into what the differences of those two are. I like to use raster when I'm doing my sketch. I like to use vector when I'm doing my lines. But you can click on one of those, like so. Don't worry about nothing else. Just click OK. We're not trying to get decision overload by focusing on what is that? Don't think about it. Eyes closed. Click the OK. There we go. And when I like to use the brush, I like to use is a mechanical pencil. Why? Because I'm stuck in my ways of a traditional artist, and I have always loved a mechanical pencil. But anywho, and then you just go ahead and you can just, well, what I do. You don't have to do what I do. But I just trace. Let me just hide it. I just trace directly over top of my 3D model. And that's how I draw over top of my 3D models. I make a new layer. I cannot draw in my 3D model layer. I have to make a new layer in order to draw on it.